Hello all, here is an example how to finish the lapped side of the zipper. It was a question I was asked because if you don't finish it properly, what's going to happen is it's going to get stuck over here and it won't close all the way. So you slip stitch, you're facing like so, and I've used different color thread, I've knotted it. Different color thread so it's easier to see. So you slip stitch till as far as you can go without going over the zipper teeth. When you can't go any further, okay, then you're going to just do a little back stitch and you're going to catch the layers underneath like so. A little back stitch, catch the layers underneath. Can you see that okay? Okay, so it's up here. There you are. You see, you can actually see the little stitches here and here. I'll do one more. It's to here. And when you reach the end, okay, then you cast off. By doing just a few stitches and catching a little bit nicer than those though. It's hard to do it at this angle. So here you are, and you just knot it. Okay, and cut it off. All right, so that way you have a nice, you don't actually go over the zipper teeth, they're still exposed. Okay.